Greetings everyone. In this video we are making millet separate dosa, millet cutlet and millet poha. I'm Aishwarya. I'm Akshay. And here can be a third semester. Yes, and as instead of management studies, Bhagat. So firstly we are making ragi dosa. For that we are preparing a batter that is of 2 bowl of ragi, that is finger millet, then some bowl of curd, then salt and chili powder according to the taste we needed. Then we mix it together and add little by little water until it get a perfect batter structure. Then we move on to tadka. First in tadka we'll add oil and cumin seeds, some mustard seeds. Then let it somewhat fry. Then we'll add some veggies. Like onion, capsicum, carrot and cabbage. Let that deep fry. The benefit of ragi is it keeps blood sugar level checked and maintain healthy heart and strengthens the bone density. And it also supplies essential nutrients, amino acids, oils. Then we'll cook that tadka for 2 minutes till that onion become reddish in color. Then we'll add some paneer and red chili powder and some salt according to the taste. Then we all mix that tadka and leave it for 2 minutes to deep fry that. And we also add some garam masala powder to it. So now we are making dosa from the dosa batter we made. We'll make some perfect dosa and we'll add some oil. Then here the dosa is ready. Then we'll make some pudina chutney with these ingredients. And we'll grind these ingredients. Then we'll spread that prepared pudina chutney on the dosa we made. Then we'll add some stuffings on that. As it is also a healthy and diet food because it is using millets and veggies. So we'll stuff the stuffings that we prepared before and we'll roll that ragi dosa and good to serve. We are making cutlet millet. These are all the ingredients. First we'll make tadka with cumin seeds and curry leaves and onion, and we'll add veggies one by one like cabbage, capsicum, carrot, and then we'll add some red chili powder, garam masala and salt according to the taste. Here we add a paste of kodu millet and chickpeas which is soaked overnight and grinded at the morning. And here the benefits of kodu millets are higher iron level, that is helps in anemia and contains higher protein and fiber. Yeah, here is diet phase which I was talking about. And this recipe is performed by Amrita. And we'll mix it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then we'll add some paneer. Then we'll mix it. And it aids for kidney function. It makes heart vessels stronger and coming to chickpeas. And she added some coriander to it. And coming to chickpeas, manages weight, control blood sugars, and it's good for gut health. So now we are making cutlets, and we'll fry it for 2 to 3 minutes until it gets reddish in color. At last we will give millet pongal. To which frozen millet is used. We take millet and water at 1:1 ratio and let it boil for 1 whistle of water. Then we'll add some jaggery and we'll mix it together. In the meantime, we'll fry some dry fruits in ghee to add to the pongal to have some taste. And we'll also add some elaichi powder to it. And then the benefits of the foxtail in the entire it has vitamin B12 and it's promoting the functioning of nerve system, and it's good for skin and hair growth also. Then leave it for 2 minutes and it is ready to serve. So here is final look of dishes which we made. Looks delicious, right? Thanks for watching.